Hey there, in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to enable dark mode in CapCut. If you've ever found yourself working late at night or just prefer a sleek, comfortable interface over a bright one, this quick guide will help you switch CapCut to dark mode, making your editing sessions easier on the eyes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to personalize your CapCut workspace to better suit your preferences. Let's jump right in, and get started. First things first. Go ahead and open up your CapCut app or your CapCut desktop application wherever you're editing. If you're launching CapCut for the first time today, take a moment to make sure it fully loads. Sometimes it can take a few seconds depending on your device or internet connection, especially if there are updates. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard with all your recent projects. From here, the key is finding your profile icon, which is usually located up in the top right corner of the screen. It often looks like a little silhouette or has your avatar if you've set one. Clicking on your profile icon is how you access all your personalized CapCut settings. Think of it like the door to your editing space. After you click your profile icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. Now, gently hover your mouse or your finger, if you're on mobile, over the section labeled Theme. If you don't spot it right away, don't worry. Sometimes it helps to move your cursor slowly and watch for words or icons that might pop up. The theme option is where CapCut lets you quickly switch between different looks for the whole app. It's kind of like choosing a mood for your workspace, whether you want it bright and lively or cool and understated. Once you're hovering over theme, you'll notice there are two options, light and dark mode. Light mode is the default. That's the bright white background most people start with if they haven't customized anything. But if you've ever felt your eyes straining during a long edit, or you just want your workspace to feel more cinematic or modern, dark mode is definitely worth trying out. It's especially great if you're working in low light environments, or if you just prefer a less distracting interface. Go ahead and click on dark mode. As soon as you select it, you'll see CapCut instantly update, swapping out those bright panels for deep grays and blacks. The contrast will be higher, making your videos and editing tools pop out more, which can really help you focus during those longer editing sessions. If you're worried that something will break or change about your workflow, rest assured this only affects the appearance. All your projects, assets, and timeline will still work exactly the same as before. It's just your backdrop that's getting a sleek makeover, and that's all there is to it. You've now enabled dark mode in CapCut, giving your editing environment a comfortable new look. Honestly, it's a small change that can make a big difference, especially if you're spending a lot of time working on your videos. If at any point you want to switch back to light mode, you can follow these exact same steps and toggle it back. Super simple. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other CapCut features you'd like to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy, practical editing tips. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.